I'm Gelf Alderson. I'm the executive chef of River Cottage, so I'm in charge of everything food related on the farm. The course is called Advanced Fish and Shellfish, and we're going to be looking at the next level preparation of some quite tricky ingredients, including cephalopods, specifically squid, oysters, raw fish and crabs. It's important it goes in the fridge, not into cold water or ice waters. This course really moves on from the previous course. The techniques are much more complicated, the cooking methods are much more involved. Also, the dishes that we're doing are much more difficult, and they're harder to arrange and much harder to prepare. And also we'll be learning about sustainability, the best practices of where to source fish and the varieties of fish and when they're at their best. These courses are great because you're learning at home, the pressure's off, you're not in front of anybody else. You can try them time and time again, the video's there for you. If you make a mistake, you can just revisit it. And for me as a tutor, I always love sharing my knowledge. I've been cooking for over 20 years now, and the most enjoyable experience you can have is sharing all of those beautiful things you've learnt over the years with another person. So people should do this course if they want to take their fish and shellfish knowledge to that next level. These are techniques that you only really learn as a professional chef, so if you're really keen on it, this is the course for you. I look forward to meeting you in the classroom.